how to find the Goblin Tinkerer in Terraria. So you cannot just explore randomly underground. This NPC strictly requires you to defeat a goblin army first. So whether it spawns naturally at dawn or you force it manually with a goblin battle standard, it doesn't matter either way. So once that invasion is cleared, the Goblin Tinkerer becomes eligible to spawn, but he only spawns or appears if you have an empty or valid house ready for him in your world. So just like one right here. So you can also see if there are any houses available. So just click on escape, then click on the housing icon right here. And as you can see, houses that doesn't have these like icons or paintings are available. So these are empty houses that can be used by any NPC. But for these houses with icons and stuff, so basically there is already an NPC occupying that particular house. But once that condition is met, he spawns randomly somewhere in the cavern layer. So basically deep underground. So not on the surface. So checking the surface will just be a waste of time. So you can also use a life form analyzer. So this one right here, or any upgrades of the life form analyzer if you want to pinpoint his exact location instead of wandering blind through cave systems. Since what this does is it basically displays the name of rare creatures around you. So once you find him, talk to him, recruit him into your town, and he immediately unlocks reforging at his Tinkerer's workshop and sells rocket boots, making him one of the most efficient early NPCs to secure. And as you can see, I already have mine right here named North, and you can shop. So here is the rocket boot, and you could also reforge your items right there. And that is how you basically find the Goblin Tinkerer in Terraria.